Hello foodies, today I'm going to teach you how to use the Marcato Atlas 150. Step 1. Position the machine. Make sure that the table or countertop has space underneath for you to attach the clamp. Next to attach is the crank to its hole. The machine is now ready. Step 2. Have a pasta dough. I have a link for this pasta dough tutorial if you are interested. Flour your surface and the dough. Form it into a rectangle. By the way, we are making fettuccine. So divide the dough into 4. And then we get a towel and we place them in the towel for them not to dry out. So let's work on the first slice. We go to the machine, and here this is the thickness adjustment knob. Step 3, set the knob to 0. We can now feed the dough into the machine. Dust the dough with flour every now and then or when it becomes sticky. And then we fold the dough. And then feed it to the machine again. Fold it again and then feed it to the machine one more time. Step 4, adjust the knob to number 1. And then feed the dough to the machine one time. Step 5, adjust the knob to number 2. And feed the dough to the machine one time. As you increase the number at the knob, the pasta becomes thinner. Step 6, adjust the knob to number 3. And feed the dough one time. Notice it is becoming longer and wider and thinner. Go to number 4. Step 7, adjust the knob to number 4. And feed again one time. It is becoming super long. Step 8, adjust the knob to number 5 and we will stop at number 5. Because we are making fettuccine as per the machine manual, thickness for fettuccine is at 5. So we will stop at 5. Step 9. Cut your pasta into segments. Step 10. Transfer the crank. Transfer the crank to the hole of the pasta cutter. Step 11. Feed the segment into the cutter. And be ready with your wand. Let's do it one more time. Perfect. Once dry, store them in airtight canisters and consume in less than 3 days, or store in the freezer and it will still be okay for a month or 2. And we're done! Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next. Bye!